Smart homes promise a lot, right? But too often, it feels like you're just babysitting your smart gear. Digging through menus, guessing cycles, or wondering if those fancy extras even help. We checked out Samsung's latest AI-enabled appliances with one question: do they actually make life easier? The short answer? Yes, because the AI mostly disappears into the background and quietly handles the stuff you'd normally fiddle with. Think laundry that self-adjusts and a fridge that helps plan dinner. Proof that AI appliances make your life better, and in practice, it adds up to home living made simple. Let's walk through 5 standouts and how they fit real days. Number 5. Samsung Bespoke AI Laundry Combo WD53DBA900HZ. One machine, smart as it gets laundry. If switch to the dryer is the step you always forget, this turns laundry into one tap. You load it once, press start, and come back to clothes that are washed and dried. No swapping machines, no damp piles sitting overnight. Even better, Samsung offers this combo in both vented and ventless versions, something most other brands skip, so you can choose the setup that fits your home without compromise. The roomy 5.3 cubic foot drum swallows bulky bedding with ease, and the ventless heat pump design opens up placement options while staying energy conscious. The standout trick is AI Opti-Wash and Dry. It reads the type of fabric, how dirty everything is, and how full the drum gets, then quietly takes over the water, detergent, timing, and even drying so you don't have to babysit it. The door becomes your dashboard with a 7-inch AI home touchscreen that shows progress and saves your go-tos for one-tap starts. Hands full? Ask Bixby to kick off or check a cycle, or tap SmartThings from your phone and keep moving. At the end, Auto Open Door cracks itself to let out humidity so warm loads don't go musty, and Multi-Dose Auto Dispense means you're not measuring detergent every single time. Living with it feels like a mental reset. You stop micromanaging cycles and start thinking of laundry as a background task. The machine is doing the tuning. Water here, heat there, just enough time to finish. So what you notice is less babysitting and more time back. It still slides into a standard 27-inch footprint, so it goes where a front loader would, except you've gained the space and time you would have spent on a separate dryer. If you want laundry that acts more like a teammate than a to-do, this is the set it and go live your life upgrade. Number 4. Samsung Bespoke AI Laundry Combo WD90F53AVBUS. Wash plus dry, one step, zero babysitting. Laundry is one of those chores you don't want to think about twice. This machine makes sure you don't. You load it once, hit start, and by the time you're back, it's washed and dried. No wet pile waiting. No "did I move it over" guilt. This is the Vented Combo, a US consumer-tailored product that installs just like a standard vented electric dryer. The payoff is speed. It can take clothes from wash to dry in as little as 68 minutes using the vent method. And just like the ventless model, it's optimized with AI Opti-Wash and Dry, Auto Open Door, and the Flex Auto Dispenser, so the machine takes over the details while you get time back. Unlike the ventless version, this one also adds a redesigned lint filter that makes cleaning easy without ever touching the lint directly. The big win here is AI Opti-Wash and Dry. It checks what fabrics you threw in, how dirty they are, and how heavy the load feels. Then auto-adjusts water, spin, detergent, and drying without you hovering. That 7-inch AI home touchscreen keeps things visual. Progress at a glance, quick one-tap favorites, even language support if English isn't your first choice. The daily flow upgrades are what you'll notice most. A quiet digital inverter motor, vented drying power, and a 5.3 cubic foot stainless steel drum that swallows bulky comforters. Detergent and softener? Auto-dosed with the Flex Auto Dispenser. The door even pops itself open at the end to let humidity out, so your warm clothes don't go musty. Inside, a drum light means no lost socks, and Wi-Fi plus Bixby voice control means you can check or start cycles without even walking over. When it comes to fabric care, it's loaded. 23 preset wash cycles, from bedding to activewear to steam sanitize. 34 extra options: wrinkle prevent, bubble soak, delay end. There's Eco Cold Wash for saving energy, less microfiber to help the environment, and super speed when you just need it done. A vent blockage test even helps keep things running safe. Bottom line, you get washer and dryer in one footprint, but more importantly, you stop babysitting laundry. It's one load, one tap, and the AI quietly handles the rest. Number 3. Samsung Bespoke 5.3 cubic foot AI front load washer, WF90F5380S. Big loads, smart wash, less fuss. We've all faced that Sunday morning mountain of laundry. Instead of debating delicates or heavy soil, just load it, hit start, and let the washer make the call. The brains behind that is AI OptiWash Plus. It sizes up the load, fabric mix, and soil level, then quietly sets water, time, and spin so you don't have to. Up front, a friendly 7-inch AI home touchscreen turns setup into a quick swipe. Pick your favorites, see progress at a glance, and move on with your day. Little touches make it feel effortless. The door pops open at the end, auto-open door, so humidity doesn't linger. A bright drum light means no more lost socks. And the drawer holds multiple washes of detergent and softener, Flex Auto Dispense System, so you're not measuring every time. Cleaning is where it shines. AI Bubble premixes air, water, and detergent to push suds deeper, even in cool water, so clothes come out clean without cranking the heat. Need extra help? Steam options like Steam Sanitize and Steam Allergen are right there. In a rush, Super Speed Wash turns big loads fast. And there's a dedicated cold wash option when you want efficiency without drama. Behind the scenes, AI VRT Plus keeps the spin smooth. The digital inverter motor is built for the long haul, and efficiency gets real. Energy Star Most Efficient AI Energy Mode plus a less microfiber cycle designed to help reduce microfiber release. Upkeep is one tap with Drum Clean Plus. Stack it with a matching dryer, and multi-control lets you run the dryer from the washer screen, so you don't play appliance twister in a tight closet. Bottom line, you start laundry like it's one step, and the AI quietly handles the rest. Number 2. Samsung Bespoke 23 cubic foot counter depth 4-door French door refrigerator, RF90F23BECR. Tap and cook confidence. Dinner indecision at 6 p.m.? This is the fridge that gives you a nudge. On the door, a bright 9-inch AI home screen organizes life into 4 easy tabs: food, home, family, entertainment. So you can grab a recipe, leave a sticky note-style message, check the calendar, or stream music while you cook. Inside, AI Vision Inside uses a built-in camera to identify select items you put in and take out, then builds a handy list that shows right on the screen or in SmartThings on your phone. It's less tech feature, more, oh nice, dinner just got easier. Daily flow upgrades keep everything moving. The tucked-away Beverage Center keeps the dispenser cleanly inside and includes an autofill water pitcher you can infuse with fruit or herbs, so cold, flavored water is always ready without hogging shelf space. The middle FlexZone drawer flips between 5 preset temps: soft freeze, meat/fish, cold drinks, deli/snacks, wine/party, which means snacks, trays, and proteins all get their sweet spot without rearranging your life. Down in the freezer, a dual ice maker serves up classic cubes and quick chilling ice bites, great for iced coffee that doesn't dilute and impromptu happy hours. Freshness stays consistent thanks to Twin Cooling Plus and metal cooling. And the touch sensor auto open door makes one-handed grocery unloading a breeze. Because it's counter depth with bespoke panel options, it blends right into a modern kitchen without jutting out, and the lighting keeps midnight snack missions simple. You won't feel like you're using a smart fridge. You'll just notice fewer food repeats, fewer "what are we missing" store runs, and faster meal decisions because the info you need is always at eye level. Number 1. Samsung Bespoke 23 cubic foot 4-door French door refrigerator with Family Hub Plus, RF90F23A, the kitchen's new command center. This one doesn't just simplify meals, it becomes the place where everything comes together. The big, bright Family Hub Plus screen turns the door into a command center. Pull up a recipe, cue a playlist, sync schedules, drop a note where everyone will see it, or send cooking steps to a connected oven. Right behind that screen, AI vision inside quietly keeps track of what goes in and out, so you know what you've got, what's low, and what you can make without a store run. Hydration and hosting are built in. The inside Beverage Center with autofill water pitcher keeps filtered water ready to pour and easy to infuse. The adaptable FlexZone drawer pivots from deli snacks to party trays to wine as your week changes. No reconfiguring shelves. Down below, a dual auto ice maker serves both cubes and ice bites for quick chill drinks, from morning cold brew to late night mocktails. What you notice is how naturally it slots into your routines. Instead of opening the door and staring, the screen already has a plan based on what's inside. Instead of sticky notes on the counter, your reminders live where the family actually looks. And instead of juggling a dozen apps, your kitchen essentials run from the door or SmartThings. It's less about learning a gadget, more about feeling one step ahead. Fewer wasted ingredients, cleaner handoffs between family members, and a calmer kitchen in the rush hours of the day. In short, it's tech that fades into the background and just makes the room work better. After a stretch with these, the theme is simple. The AI isn't there to impress you, it's there to vanish into the routine. Laundry becomes one load, one tap. The fridge helps you waste less and decide faster. You feel calmer mornings and easier evenings, not more tech. So tell me, would you bring home hands-off laundry or a fridge that helps plan dinner first? Indeed, Samsung AI appliances make your life better, turning daily routines into home living made simple. If that's your vibe, hit like, subscribe, and check the description for details.